Alright, good morning and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Rafa and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create song and also how you can actually create a marketing jingle or an advert, a music advert that will follow your advert. Okay? Because of copyright issues, AI has actually come to transform a lot of things positively for people. So if you have not joined the revolution, you're actually missing out. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create song, music. So if you are a musical person, even if you are not, you can actually use the guide from all these things to create something nice. So once you are on your Google browser, go to Suno. Okay, open Suno. You can say I've actually opened mine. Once you open Suno, the first thing you need to do, you must have an idea of music that you want to create. Even if you don't have an idea, go to chat GPT, then enter any prompt that is related to what you want to create. Let me say of Afrobeat song. Interesting. Okay, so then click on this arrow. Okay, you can actually edit it to suit whatever you want to create. Okay, or you can change the prompt to suit what you want to create. Okay, but in this one, I'm just going to copy the song down to this place. Then I'll come back to Suno. I'll click on this create. You can see create here. Click on create. Now, when this interface opens up for you, in your own case, in case if it is on simple, take it to custom. Okay, take it to custom, then paste the code. You just copy it, paste it here, scroll down. You can see it says style. I'm going to say Afrobeat. You can actually select any of this one here. Okay, but I'm going to leave it the way it is so that it will auto select for me. I'm going to leave it at default. Okay, I'll come here, I'll call it Afro song. Okay, then I'll come here and click on create. Okay, so let's create. Now you can see we are not creating the song. Let's listen to it.
Dancing groovy Afrobeat with strong percussion, play from all my kind of style log drums, celebrating good vibe on the dance floor tonight. Hey, hey, shake your body, no darling, everything but day. Oh yeah, oh yeah, hey, oh yeah, oh yeah. Talk about coming together, young, old, fresh, strangers, all fun, enjoying music.
So
On the spot star. Yeah. Still, drop instruments low for a moment, then bring them back with heavy drums for energy explosion. Oh yeah, rolling bass line to keep the groove.
are you enjoying it? If you are enjoying it, just comment at the comment section. Say you are enjoying it.
Oh yeah, feel the vibe on the dance floor tonight. Yeah, yeah. Shake your body, no darling, everything good.
So,
alright. Oh yeah, talk about people coming together, young, old, friends, strangers, all fun enjoying music. And call and response time. Yeah, chill. Drop instruments low for a moment, then bring them back with heavy drums for energy explosion. Heavy Afrobeat rhythm with shakers and congas. Deep rolling bass line to keep the groove. Bright trumpets and sax riffs for excitement. Back with the vocals, group chants like to hype the track. Oh yeah, yeah, to hype the track. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Rolling bass like oh yeah, oh yeah. Groove the vibe on the dance floor tonight. Shake your body, no darling, everything will be alright. Oh yeah, talk about people coming together, young, old, friends, strangers, all fun, enjoying music. And call on response time. Yeah, chill.
How did you see it? Let's play the second one.
All this Afrobeat was strong vibration, play for one and a touch up on a piano style of drums. In a pretty good vibe on the dance floor tonight. Yeah, shake your body, no darling, everything go there alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. A simple track like hook that's easy to sing along to. Example ID. We the groove, we the vibe on the dance floor tonight. Hey, hey, hey. Shake your body, no darling, everything go there alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Talk about people coming together, young, old, friends, strangers, all finding joy in music. I'd call and response style, classic Afrobeat feel. Drop instruments low for a moment, then bring them back with heavy drums to an energy explosion. Driving Afrobeat rhythm with shakers and congas. Beat rolling bass line to keep the groove. Right
Hey,
trumpets
hey,
or
hey,
sax
hey,
bridge
hey,
for
what's up,
next one.
man?
Oh yeah,
What's up,
yeah, to hype the
nigga?
track.
What's up?
Propagation, play for horn and a touch of our piano style of drums.
Yeah.
In a brilliant good vibe
Yeah.
on the dance floor tonight. Yeah, shake your body, no darling, everything go there alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Talk about people coming together, young old friends, strangers, all finding joy in music. I'd call a response style, classic Afrobeat feel. Drop instruments low for a moment, then bring them back with every drum. Slow energy explosion, explosion. Oh yeah. Baby Afrobeat rhythm with shakers and congas. Right trumpets or sax riffs for energy explosion. Yeah. Deep rolling bass line to keep the groove. Bright trumpets or sax riffs for energy explosion.
So, this is exactly how you can actually create your own music. You can just give it a vibe. You understand? Rock it. It's your turn. So AI has made a lot of things easy for us, okay, whether in business, anything at all, okay. So the next thing I want to teach you again is how to create, let's say, jungle or an advert. So I'll just go back to Chat GPT again, and I'll give it a prompt. Help me create, or rather, I am into real estate. I want to help me create, let me say, an advert music background. Okay, background jingle. We call it jingle. I am using Suno. Okay, okay. I'll now copy it. I'll go back to Suno. I'm going to replace this one. I'll now come down here. I'm going to use instrument, okay? Let me change this one. Real estate jingle. Okay? Then I'll come down here. Real estate. Okay? So I'll just click on create. So let's listen to it. The better the prompts you give to any of this AI model, the better your outcome. Okay? So let's listen to the second one. Okay? Once you are done and you are satisfied, you can actually click on here. I'll show you how to download it, but let me show you. So you can just test your prompt, improve on your prompt. Once you can improve on your prompt, definitely you are going to get what you're actually looking for. This is a machine, it's not human. So you don't expect it to give you 100% accuracy if you don't know how to give it a prompt. Okay? So, okay. So once you are done, the next thing you need to do is to download it. You can see this three dotted here. Click on it. Then scroll over download. Then click on MP3 audio. You can only use the wave if you are a pro subscriber, okay? But this account is actually free. And I highly recommend if you want to start using, if you want to start song or music, I actually recommend you upgrade to the pro version. Before they actually allow pro, you can listen to how the pro sound. It sounds better. You can listen to how the pro sound, but you cannot download it. But now they no longer allow you to listen to the pro version except the free version. Okay? So you now click on MP3, click on download anyway. Okay? Can see it has been downloaded. So let me download the second one. Anyway. So this is how you can actually download, create your song or your advertising music. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any question related to this, just let me know and I'll answer you. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's very important. That will encourage me to do more. Thank you and God bless you.